Oh, there we go. We got one part.
Way to cooperate, Wyatt.
He stuck his tongue out really big.
All right, do it again.
He looks like he's
I
smiling.
know. I think he is. He's having fun.
He's like, I'm done.
Come on, stick your tongue out again.
Oh, I think you got it. Ah, look at you. Yay!
Yay.